Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Maybe some of you are getting a little bored with these paper art that really looks cool. And I decided to make this one because I actually used the table tool and I actually used some interactive fill tool on the shadowing. The picture doesn't look as good as it does in real life when you angle the picture. But here's what it looks like. And it doesn't look like anything special till you angle the paper. So we're going to draw one just real quick. Table tool. We're going to set it on, I think it was 7x7. And if you do this pre-hand, you don't have to worry about anything. So we got the table tool. We're going to hold down the control button and we're going to make a table. So every square I meant to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now to make this work, you've got to go to Object and really convert it to a curve. If you don't convert it to a curve, you can't cut it. Let's back up. Let's use the virtual segment delete key. And you see you can't cut it. But if you take it and if you convert the table to a curve, then you can cut it. So, and if you'll just, after I get done with this, if you'll take a screenshot, I've only done this once, so I've got to have a cheater sheet next to it. And we want to take some 2-point lines, and we're going to go from that node to that node. You've got to be on the nodes, and then skip one and go from there to there. So you don't go to the edge, go to the node. And I'm just skipping every other one. Now we're going to go down the bottom. We're going to put an angle here. Now to make it a little bit easier, maybe we're going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete all those lines. There's our first line. Now we're going to take the virtual segment delete key and we're going to delete these two lines and then these two lines. And I see I'm not on one node, so this will be the time to fix it. That's a no-no. So put it right on that node and then you can delete that. I'm still not there. That's kind of. Then take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line. Now, basically what you're going to want to do is do the same thing on all the sides. So we're going to do the top first. So we got that look. We want this to be cut out. So we're going to do that. So that's pretty much the bottom or the top. Now we're going to take a 2-point line and just kind of mimic that and go from there to there and there to there and there to there. Now this last one, we're going to go ahead and put a line here and we're going to get the virtual segment delete key and delete this. You really ought to think about, got another line off. I'm telling you what to do, but I'm not doing a very good job. They need to be right on the nodes. Now just take the virtual segment delete key. And if you will take a screenshot of my drawing, it might help you. So we need to get rid of these lines. I mean, after I'm done, take a screenshot, then go through here and there. And I'd go ahead and delete these outer lines just so you won't get confused. And that's really it. Now, take the Smart Fill tool, set on black first. I would go ahead and do my blacks. And we'll make the lines all black in just a second. I'm not going to color in these side panels except for the outer one. And I'm going to use just a gray. And then I'm going to do the tops. And I'm going to do the bottom. No, I did not. You know what? I don't want to do that side. So I'm going to delete it. Now I'm going to select it all. And I'm going to right-click black and make it something maybe, my printer seemed to print it, so it worked good. Maybe make it a little bit more than that. Now, the reason I just kind of made the video is interactive fill tool. Come straight come straight down, get it kind of even, and we want this to be black. So we're going to put black here, but that's way too black. So we're going to move it down. You can actually move this down. We just want just a little bit more black. Now, kind of the reason for the video, get your attribute eyedropper, get a sample of that, and look at that. You don't have to do it but one time. Now, if you'll make your page size 8.5 by 11 and save this or print this from, if you're, this is the kind of stuff I'll be drawing when I'm out running a job that takes 45 minutes. I've got a monitor right here that's looking over my laser. My laser is running. So I'll play with stuff like this. And then print that out and hold it at an angle. And it really, really, really looks like there's some depth there. Anyway, so what I should have done is, since I've already got one, I'm going to delete everything. And if you will take a screenshot of this right there, or you could even ask me for the file. I'll put my email at the bottom of and I'll send you this file and you can finish it. And then you could use it as a, because you can't remember all that. But if you have a way to take a screenshot and then bring it into Corel, you'll be ahead of the game. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.